In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Start by opening clock. Now, if you never used it before, you might see this pop-up. If you want to set up same volume for all alarms, adjust it thanks to this slider and tap on OK to save your changes. If you don't want to do it, tap on Not Now. Later I will show you how to go back to it. Now tap on Alarm at the bottom left corner and use this plus here to create a new alarm. Now it's time to adjust it however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then tap on Days of the Week to set them up. Click on Alarm Name to label it. And click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to switch them off or on. If you decided to enable all of them, you can adjust each one however you want to. To do that, click on Chosen Feature on the left. Now you can also adjust volume of this alarm thanks to this slider. You can use one of those sound sources or hit ringtone. Tap on Allow and adjust those two options by clicking on the switchers next to them. Now you can click on one of those sounds and go back after picking the best one for you. But here's what most people miss. You can tap on ringtone and click on tiny plus at the top right corner to pick any song from your smartphone. Decide if you wish to play selected highlights thanks to this switcher at the top. Click on the song and tap on Done at the top right corner. Then go back. Now you can select vibration, pick one of those patterns, or hit silent. You can even adjust intensity of haptic feedback thanks to this slider at the bottom. Go back, click on Snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back and scroll all the way down to choose Alarm Background. This option will change background only for this alarm. Hit Background at the top left corner. Choose Allow All and either tap on one of those backgrounds to set up the best one and hit Done at the top right corner, or hit Background. Tap on any photo you wish to set up, maybe this one, and choose Done at the top right corner. Now to save your alarm, hit Save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To make some changes to it, click on it, change whatever you want to, and hit Save. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To get rid of it, hold it and tap on Delete button at the bottom right corner. Now you can click on those three dots and select Settings. I discovered this option by testing Samsung devices and alarm clocks, which are pretty much the same. Now my favorite part is, over here you can choose Alarm Background and create one for all alarms. Do exactly the same as before, hit Background at the top left corner, pick one of those or any of your already created ones, select a photo if you want to create custom one. And hit done at the top right corner. Here you can also tap on volume and decide if you after all want to use same volume for all alarms. Apply one of those options by clicking on the best one. And pick volume for all of your alarms if you decided on the second one. Go back, click on upcoming alarm notifications and set it up here by clicking on one of those options, or disable this feature completely by hitting off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!